Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm fine too. Welcome you all to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Mahmoud Rahman, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Today I'm going to take an English class for the students of class 5. Our today's topic is Unit 12 and today we'll discuss on lesson 1 to 6. Okay, at first look at the board. This is the class for the students of class 5. Our subject is English and today's topic is Unit 12, lesson 1 to 6, term half yearly. This is a lecture number 13 and you have no homework today. I repeat again, this is your lecture number 13 and you have no homework for today's class. This is my name Mahmoud Rahman and this is my mobile number 01735 852285. Okay, let's read the passage first. There is a dialogue based passage and the unit name is How Far is St. Martin's? Listen and read. Andy: Hi Tamal, can you help me with something? Tamal: Sure Andy. Andy: What are the main tourist spots in Bangladesh? I know about Cox's Bazar. Visited there last month. I visited there last month. Tamal: Oh, Cox's Bazar is the most popular tourist spot. Andy: And it's beautiful. I loved the sea and the beach, but I would like to see some new places this time. Tamal: Right. There are many places to see in our country. You can go to Sri Mangal. You can enjoy the beauty of the tea gardens there. From there, you can go to Madhavkundu. There are some wonderful waterfalls there. You can also go to St. Martin's Island. It's a special place. The next page, page number 47. Andy, what is special about St. Martin's Island? Tamal: It's an island in the Bay of Bengal and it's the only coral island in Bangladesh. You can see coral in different shapes and colors. And the water in the Bay of Bengal is very clean and blue. And oh, that sounds wonderful. Tamal: Yes, it is. You can also see the turtles on the island. The turtles make their nests on the beach and then they lay their eggs in them. You can see many fish too. And wow, really? Can I go sailing? Tamal: Well, you can take a day cruise. You can go on wooden boats or sea trucks. The cruises are exciting and safe. They are a great way to see the bay. And thanks for the information, Tamal. The students now we will read the last portion of this dialogue at page number 48. Andy: So how can I get to the St. Martin's Island? Tamal: Well, you can go from Chattogram to Teknaf and then from Teknaf to St. Martin's Island. Andy: How far is Chattogram from Teknaf? Tamal: About 228 kilometers. Andy: And how far is St. Martin's Island from Teknaf? Tamal: It is about 26 nautical miles. The students, the pronunciation is nautical. A nautical mile is a unit for measuring distance at sea. By sea truck, it's about 2.5 hours journey from Teknaf to St. Martin's Island. So this is the reading text for today's class. Now there are some questions, 5 questions in exercise B. We will solve them now. Answer the following questions. Number 1, what tourist places does Tamal tell Andy about? So there is mistaken, it will be in capital letter. Since it's a proper noun and a name, so it will be in capital letter. Answer: the tourist places Tamal tells Andy about are Cox's Bazar, Sri Mangal, Madhavkundu and St. Martin's Island. Number 2, what is the name of the island Tamal tells Andy about? It's very simple. Answer. The name of the island Tamal tells Andy about is St. Martin's Island. Number 3. Where is this island? This island is in the Bay of Bengal. Number 4. What can you see on this island? Answer. On this island I can see coral in different shapes and colors. I can also see turtles on the island. There I can see many fishes too. And the final question, how can you go to the water in the Bay of Bengal? Answer. We can go on the water in the Bay of Bengal by wooden boats or sea trucks. So these are the questions and answers from exercise B of unit 12. So my dear students, I hope that you have enjoyed today's class and understood very well. If you have any confusion, then you ask me questions through my mobile number, and for your better understanding you must read your textbook again. So I hope that you will attend all the online classes regularly and watch the YouTube classes. And as I told you before, that there is no homework for today's class. Okay, so to see you in the next class. Stay well. Allah Hafiz.